Hi everybody, this is David in a quick overview for our custom theme wall section properties calculator. So for the matter of this example, we're gonna go to add new calculation. Here in the US module, we can either scroll down and find the calculator, or we can type it by the name in our filter. And once we click in the calculator, here in the right side, we can choose between standard or detailed view. What I recommend is to choose detailed view, so you're going to be able to see all different calculations that are being done here. And as well, in the same panel, you can see the calculator versions, so you can check the latest upgrades on this calculator. To get started here, we are going to go to the key properties section, where you can basically see all the geometry of the section. And in the section source, you can choose between gold format steel or custom. For this example, we're going to leave it on custom. And as we scroll down, we're going to find the cross section type. We're going to have three different types: C section, seat section, and arbitrary section. One really cool thing is that when you choose arbitrary section, you can basically customize your whole section, and you can even create like different sections, for example this top hat. And coming back to the C sections, we are gonna see different inputs like the thickness, depth, breadth, lip length, and outer radius of our section. And if you ever wonder what are these values actually modifying, you can always scroll up and check the cross section. So as you can see, once we change the depth of the section, we're gonna see that change in our cross section and also in the calculations. As you can see, it takes a while, but everything should be working just perfectly once you make the change. And scrolling down, we are going to find the material properties, where we can choose our steel properties. In this case, we can either choose between our steel database or a custom isotropic material. In this case, as we leave it on steel database, we have the option to select from the database. So here you can see different materials that you can choose between, like standards and common uses, as well as the yield strength, minimum and maximum. As you keep scrolling down, you're gonna find advanced parameters, row nodes, the analysis that we are doing here, that it's going to be constraint finite strip method, full elastic results, full plastic results, full graphing results. And in our summary section, we can choose in between different types of loading, and also be able to see like different built-in parameters. So as you can see, this calculator is going to be really useful for performing a rapid bulking analyzing of any thin-walled cross-section according to your needs in terms of a loading and geometry of the sections. Thank you so much. Hope you guys find this really useful and give us the feedback that you consider might be able to improve this calculator.